Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can use the newsfeed in Etoro. Newsfeed is a place where people from the community like you and other people who are investors are going to share news and basically trends and share information all through the platform or with other investors. And you can of course open debates and discuss a lot of topics. So how can you get the access to the news in the first place? Log into your account on Etoro, which is simple. Go ahead and sign in with Gmail, and here we go. I'm on my account, and you will be finding all of these kind of things. So there is here Discover, where you can find like big portfolios, but we are not really interested in that. Here, of course, you can find like daily movers. This is kind of news, but a little bit typical, like uh, connected to the asset itself. We want news connected to the real users, like human beings. So go to the homepage, and here you will find a lot of information. So as I'm going down, you'll find literally discussions and news and people sharing stuff. And as you can see here, you could get yourself a lot of information and maybe somehow get yourself to invest in something interesting that could make you real money simply just by reading these news and basically understanding what's going on. And these are pretty much important to note as there is many big investors are going to talk here, and you should follow the big investors since they have much bigger knowledge than like the normal ones. So as you can see here, people are sharing news, how much money they made, profits, etc. So yeah, this is where the news are located in eToro. So this is how you can get used. Here you can make likes, comment, or share it, and even save it for later. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to leave us a beautiful comment. And see you guys in the next upcoming video.